much for having me here. So we are as a Empenzo Industrial Garments Limited company, as a Singaporean company. We have 3 separated companies which are in Singapore, Bangladesh and USA. So mostly our company focus on automation system, which are best solution for denim, for knit, for shirt, for finishing items also. So and we are more than 10 years in Bangladesh, and we are now working with big groups, and more than 2,000 machine already, 2,000 automation machine running in Bangladesh. So our machines from normally from Turkey, some machines from Japan. So we have several partnership also, which are mostly focusing on automation. So let me introduce about our some automation machines. As you know, we are this machine, for example, for waistband attachment machines for mouth closing system. We have another type also have, which are mouth closing and also auto skip, stitch and also auto cutting machines. So for example, our target is to reduce the operator here. Normally the machine or mechanical machine, they are using 2-3 machine in one machine, 2-3 operation. But with this machine, with one operator can manage 3 operations. For example, machine can cut, machine can stitch, and also wherever you want, you can also skip stitch here. And we have special design machine for waistband attach, which are, for example, double puller system and double tensioning system, all full design for waistband attaching here. We have also another machine here for double surgeon machine, which also patented by us, which is one operator can make 2 operations. For example, right and left side overlock surgeon machine here. So easily one operator can make 2 operations. So by this time you can have a very good time also. Efficiency will be very increased also. As you know, we are more than 10 years here in Bangladesh. So more than around 2,000 machines already sold, and very big company we are working now. So and we are getting second, third also orders from our groups. They are very happy. Mainly we focusing for denim, also knit and shirt and finishing items also. So all customers, we think that happy because we have technical department, spare part department, and enough teams, technical departments also, and we are happy to be here.